Two countries, China and the United States, are now locked in a race that could change the course of human history. For the first time ever, humanoid robots are stepping out of research labs and into real mass production. Not prototypes, not experiments, but real machines, built in the hundreds, ready to walk, work, and reshape society. On one side stands China's UBTECH Walker S2, a robot that has already stunned the world with its massive deployment. Hundreds of Walker S2 units march through enormous industrial corridors with perfect synchronization, no CGI, no tricks, just raw technological power. Built for stability, endurance, and precision, the Walker S2 operates in factories, research hubs, and automated facilities like an unstoppable mechanical workforce. Rows of these robots stand like metallic soldiers, proving China's bold leap into large-scale humanoid automation. But across the ocean, the United States prepares its own breakthrough. Iron, a humanoid robot moving rapidly from prototype to mass manufacturing. Scheduled for major production by 2026, Iron isn't just a machine meant to lift, carry, or assemble. It's designed as a companion, a helper, and an intelligent presence in everyday life. Inside futuristic American labs, Iron undergoes intense testing, showing off expressive movements, human-like posture, and advanced emotional interaction. Where Walker S2 focuses on industrial strength and mechanical reliability, Iron aims to push the boundaries of intelligence, awareness, and human connection. Two robots, two visions. One built for the world of heavy industry, the other built to live alongside humans. But the question remains, which one is truly more powerful? If power means real-world deployment, durability, and operational success, then China's Walker S2 currently holds the lead. But if power is measured by intelligence, interaction, and future human-robot harmony, then America's Iron stands as a bold step forward. So who wins this battle? The answer depends on the future we choose. In factories, Walker S2 is the clear champion. In homes and human environments, Iron may one day become the face of everyday robotics. One thing is certain, the race between China and the United States has officially begun, and the nation that perfects humanoid robots first will shape the future of the entire world.